Everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at the Husqvarna 359 chainsaw. Great saw for firewood cutting, farm use, small timber cutting. Look at some of the features it has. Kill switch is on top, choke is right below it. Side load on your gas and oil reservoir, vibration isolation motor mounts, working chain brake. It's got the very large Western falling spikes inside and outside. Decompression valve for starting the high compression motor. Push this in, it's easier to start it. Side adjust on the chain tensioner, loosen the two bar nuts up, it's right on the side, real nice and convenient. You're looking for one of these great Husqvarna chainsaws. Here's a nice one.